Hello everyone! Today we will do 3 makeup looks dedicated to Valentine's Day. Each makeup is very simple but very beautiful. For the first makeup, as well as for all the following ones, apply foundation and contour as you are used to. Take makeup or red lipstick. Paint your lips. Take some tape and follow along with me. If the lipstick mark is not as bright as mine, you can take a brush and draw over it. Add highlighter. Draw eyeliners. Mascara on the eyes and lip gloss. Done. For the next makeup, we start with eyeliner on the eyes. Overall, in this makeup, you can do your eye makeup as you are used to. The focus will be on the cheeks. Cut out a heart from paper and stick it to your cheek. Take pink eyeshadow and follow along with me. To make the heart more visible, take a thin brush and outline it with purple eyeshadow. Highlighter. Apply a foundation on the lips so they look pale and draw a heart with pink lipstick or makeup. Add a bit of pearl and it's done. For the last makeup, we will need paper tape. Mark the borders with it. Paint the face with white makeup. Next, from the edge of the face to the center, we start with purple eyeshadow, then pink. Remove the tape. Use purple eyeshadow to contour the nose. Decorate the eyes with black eyeshadow. Draw hearts with pink makeup and outline them with black eyeliner. Black lipstick and gloss will complete the look. Which makeup did you like more? Write in the comments.